as well. But this is a special segment, Midcap Spotlight. We are focusing on Asia Energy Services. The stock is under pressure today, down around 8%. The news that came by over the weekend is that the company will be merging with Oilmax Energy Private Limited, and this is into Asia Energy Services Limited itself. Oilmax will be dissolved without winding up. All the assets, liabilities, rights and approvals will vest in Asia Energy. Now remember, it will also mean that Oilmax, the holding that they have in Asian Energy will be cancelled. Remember, Oilmax holds 66% stake in Asia Energy. So it's kind of a reverse merger which is happening with subsidiary, where holding companies getting merged with the subsidiary here. And Asian Energy will issue new shares to Oilmax as per share exchange ratio, which we'll discuss about in the later part. This will mean that it will be a consolidated business. Both the entities will be merged and the scheme will be effective in 12 months. What will happen to the promoter holding? Pre-merger, it is around 65%. Post-merger, it will come to 47%. Now, let's talk and look at the financials. Revenues together will come in at 593 crore rupees because 128 crores will be added by oil energy. EBITDA will double from current levels. It will come in at 143 crore rupees, and profits will also double to come in at 91 crore rupees. That plate where the consolidated financials will come by is here for you on the screen. So basically, their EBITDA and profits are doubling. There will be an issue of 117 shares for every 10 shares which is held in Oilmax. This would mean Asian Oil will be diluting their equity by around 46% in order to improve the merged entities' financials, or doubling of EBITDA and profits as well. I did some calculations. Now, profits are doubling from 42 crore rupees to 91 crore rupees. And calculating the shares which they have mentioned in their investor presentation as well, it would mean that EPS is improving from 8.4 rupees to 9.89 rupees a share. There is an improvement of 17% in the merged entity by way of EPS. But despite that, we are seeing that the stock is down in trade. But do remember, the stock is already up 140% in last 6 months. There has been a big surge that we are seeing. So there is some profit booking, sell on news, something of that sort is what is happening here. But yes, this merger is positive for shareholders of Asian Energy Services because there is an EPS improvement in the merged entity. But yes, some profit booking is what we are seeing right now.
Well, some very interesting analysis there, Sunil. And like you mentioned, don't go by the price movement just today. It's purely profit booking after what's essentially been almost a 2.5 times jump up in the share price. Thank you so much for sharing those details with us. Well, we'll now slip into a short break. We'll get you more on